well, we are.
Never watched this.
How fast do they need you to live vegan?
No one's holding you accountable, then why would you? Generally a vegetarian, but I do eat eggs, so I feel like that's not respecting the animals either.
Yeah,
so
of course it is.
Yeah.
because the chicken doesn't want to be the resource of a human.
Yeah, exactly.
But veganism exactly attacks this.
Yeah.
Veganism is the ethical principle that humans should live without exploiting animals. That comes with a mindset that you don't view others as existing for your own purposes, but existing for themselves, right?
Yeah, that makes sense. I guess even like makeup products and stuff like that, because a lot of makeup does get tested on animals.
And in all these cases, as a vegan, you wouldn't see the product anymore, you would see the animal behind and make different choices based on that principle.
Yeah.
So understanding that, how fast do the animals need their freedom, right? How fast do they need you to live vegan?
Like now.
Yes.
Yeah.
So considering that, why is it important that you live vegan now?
That you respect the animals more.
Yeah.
I think it's a better word, but you know what it is? It's lack of knowledge as well. I feel like a lot of things in the world we just don't know because the media and all the brainwashing that goes on.
Yeah.
It hides all of that, right?
Yeah.
There's so much that goes on in the world.
And then that's why we stand here in our free time to confront people with the actual truth about what is happening. And that is exactly what we are trying to achieve here. You acknowledging that right now you're a hypocrite regarding this. Yeah. But you don't need to be. There's a solution to be one more person representing their justice. Be a vegan. Right? So do you feel anything is stopping you from making this decision?
No, it's just actually the only thing that I would like is knowledge about what kind of food is healthy for you. So like keep hearing the word protein.
Yeah.
But then it's like I know you can get protein from like lentils.
Yes.
But what else?
What else?
Yeah, so like I feel like there should be more, like the government should do more around like nutritional understanding.
Yeah.
Because if we understood more about nutrition, then a lot of illnesses also, right?
Yeah.
Like not just.
But after all, you probably agree that there's a lot of illnesses and misinformation, not only with vegans who respect animals, but also with non-vegans.
Yeah.
So the thing is that differs from healthy people and non-unhealthy people is that healthy people actually inform themselves about what is important for their body. You got something in your hand that can inform yourself very well with it. Yeah. So living vegan is
just laziness. Then, really.
Yeah. Because living vegan is basically not seeing it as an option anymore.
If I'm really honest with you, I do tend to go down rabbit holes of like information quite a lot. So
yeah,
because I have a lot of people in my family who are unwell in different ways. So like one of my aunties has like had 6 brain tumors.
Yeah.
For example, my brother has MS.
Yeah.
And lots of other people have different things, but so I know some stuff.
Yeah.
But I just feel like even when you're looking online, things contradict each other.
Yeah, of course.
And
But
then it's like you need a single source of truth.
But that's the thing. I don't think that will ever exist, a simple source of truth. But we're talking right now not about the health outcomes. You can be very healthy as a vegan, but you can be unhealthy. That is up to you how you inform yourself.
Yeah.
But the thing is, right now here, I'm asking you to stop being the reason for this.
Yeah.
Like basically, for what is happening to chickens.
Yeah.
And with a new mindset, you will live your life basically normally, but you will make different decisions when it comes to exploited animals.
Yeah, that makes
Yeah. So considering all what we've, but considering all what we've just said, considering you probably don't want to be a hypocrite, considering the animals need you to change right now.
Yeah.
How many more animals should be exploited for you from this moment?
None.
So vegan now.
Yeah, why not?
Huh?
Why not? Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
Handshake on that?
Sure.
What's your name?
Karen.
Karen. My name is Oliver.
Yeah, cool.
And
Nice to meet you.
well, we are.
I still watch this.
But we can turn around. But
Yeah.
what I think is very important to understand is the only reason why you live vegan now is because I confronted you on the street.
Yeah, because if no one's holding you accountable, then why would you?
Yeah. And that is exactly why I think it's not only important for you to live vegan, to stop being the reason, but to also speak up for the animals, because they will never be able to defend themselves.
That's true.
So do you want to take this chance and take 5 minutes of your time to stand in this formation to represent the
I'm
animals?
actually meant to meet my friends. They've
Okay.
already messaged me. But how long are
Okay.
you here for? Are you here tomorrow?
We are here tomorrow from 1 till 8.
Okay, I can
So
come
the
back
whole day.
tomorrow.
So I would still give you a card so you can.
Because they're like,
Yeah.
They're wondering where.
Yeah. But still, like, I just want to express the urgency of people changing, and we can be the voice that is defending them.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Handshake on that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.